Hello,
Hi there.
how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Sofia. What's your name?
I'm David. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Sophia, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
Where do you live now?
I live in Toronto. And you?
I live in São Paulo. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. How about you?
I'm 22 years old. What do you do?
I work at a library. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
That's interesting. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What about you?
I have one sister.
Nice. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite food?
I really enjoy Chinese food. What's yours?
I love pizza. Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd like to have a bird someday. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like painting and listening to music. What type of music do you listen to?
I like pop music and jazz. Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Portuguese and English. What about you?
I can speak English and a little French.
What's your favorite season?
I prefer winter. What about you?
I love autumn.
Do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I like swimming. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I enjoy basketball.
What's your favorite film?
My favorite movie is Forrest Gump.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like making desserts.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy watching movies and hiking. Do you like playing video games?
Not really, but I play sometimes with friends. What's your dream job?
I'd like to be a writer. What about you?
I want to be a chef.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read every day. Have you visited other countries?
Yes, I've been to Argentina and Chile. Have you ever traveled to Europe?
Yes, I've visited England and Germany.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like going to the park or meeting friends. Do you enjoy shopping?
Not much, but I like shopping for books and music. Are you a morning person or night owl?
I'm a morning person. What about you?
I'm a night owl. Do you like exercising?
Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I take salsa classes. Do you like watching TV series?
Yes, I enjoy watching dramas. What's your favorite comedy show?
My favorite is Friends.
I like it too. Who's your favorite Friends actor?
I love Phoebe.
My favorite is Ross.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love bananas. What's yours?
My favorite fruit is strawberry.
What's your favorite beverage?
My favorite drink is tea. Do you like going to the beach?
Not really. I prefer the mountains.
Do you like cooking for others?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for my friends.
Do you enjoy learning new skills?
Yes, I'm always curious about new things. Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy painting and drawing. Do you play musical instruments?
Yes, I play the violin. What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the sunflower. Do you prefer watching films at home or at the theater?
I like watching films at the theater. Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers on my balcony. What kind of weather do you prefer?
I enjoy cool weather. What about you?
I like warm weather.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I go to concerts when I can. Do you prefer working alone or with others?
I enjoy working with others. Do you like spicy food?
No, I prefer mild flavors. What's your favorite sweet treat?
I love donuts. What's yours?
My favorite dessert is pudding.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I swim at the pool every week. Do you like reading at night?
Yes, I read before sleeping. Do you enjoy trying different foods?
Yes, I'm adventurous with food. Do you like hot or cold beverages?
I prefer hot drinks. Do you enjoy going to plays?
Not often, but I love watching theater shows when I can. Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think they're exciting. Do you prefer waking up early or sleeping late?
I prefer sleeping late. How about you?
I like waking up early.
Do you like traveling by train?
Not really, but I enjoy train journeys sometimes. Do you like writing?
Yes, I write in my journal daily. Do you prefer casual or formal style?
I prefer formal clothes for work. What about you?
I like casual style.
Do you eat fast food?
Sometimes, on busy days. Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, I love camping near lakes. I also enjoy camping with my family in summer.
That sounds wonderful.
What's your favorite day of the week?
I like Saturday the most. Do you like riding bikes?
Yes, I ride my bicycle to work. Do you enjoy reading poetry?
Yes, I find it relaxing. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography as a hobby. I also enjoy capturing nature.
Me too. Do you like visiting aquariums?
Yes, I find ocean life fascinating. Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I hike in the mountains often.
It was wonderful talking with you, Sophia.
Yes, I really enjoyed our conversation, David. I hope we can meet again.
Definitely. I'd love that. Have a great day.
You too. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.